So previously, before this video, I did wash and condition my hair, and after that I just played it up using Styler Gel and this oil. I will have all the products listed down below, but yeah, I'm just taking them down, and they was up for about a week. So after all my plaits are down, I am going in with this Mango Deep Conditioner. Well, it's a leave-in conditioner just because my hair was up for about a week and I want to put the moisture back in it. And then on my edges, I'm just putting Ebin edge control on them. Okay, so after all them steps, well, not all, it wasn't a lot. I'm just gonna go in, brush my edges, then I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna pick my hair, basically making it as big as you want to. You don't have to make it so big, but I did want volume, so I did pick it for a minute, but it's up to you on this step. And then for the puff part, y'all, I just found this string, and you can just use any little string you find, but I start from the front, then I go to the back, and I just pull as tight. Don't pull it so tight, but just pull it to where you want your puff position at, how big you want it, all that. For those of you who haven't, stop this video right now. I posted an edge tutorial on my page. If y'all want to see how to get the edges slick, you is not going to see from this video because I did not go in depth. So pause this video right now, go watch my edge video, and then come back. Okay, so I know some people don't like they puff big, so on this clip I was just showing if you pull the string more, it can be cute little. Like, you still can have a little cute puff girl too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, y'all, stop right now, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, so in the video you guys saw me putting some white looking stuff in my hair. This is what I was putting in it. This is your OK Mango Leave-In Deep Conditioner. It's revitalizing, anti-breakage. It's not a, yeah, it is a leave-in deep conditioner, I'm sorry. It's cruelty-free. It hydrates, nourishes, detangles, and it's silicone-free, paraben-free, and you can put it in wet or dry hair. Y'all, this stuff make your hair smell and feel so good. I do recommend it. Go and get it. Also, for my plaits, this all I put in my hair with Styler Gel, and I think I had some black Jamaican seed oil. This all I put in my hair with after I washed, shampooed, and deep conditioned.